Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your Epic Games slow download problem. If you're facing this issue, what you need to do is first, you need to go on the search icon on your Windows and type run. Once you search for run, this thing will open up. Now over here, you want to write this. You want to write %appdata%. Once you search for it, click on OK. Now once this opens up, you need to go one step back. Right now you're in roaming. So click on app data. Once you click on app data, you need to go inside local. Now from over here, you need to find Epic Games Launcher. Once you find Epic Games Launcher, open it. Once you're inside Epic Games Launcher, click on saved. Now you want to click on config. From over here, you need to click on Windows. Now once you're over here, you need to click on engine.ini. Now inside engine.ini, you want to paste it. Now whatever I have written, pause the video and see and enter it word for word right in this category. Once you do it, click on cross. Click on save. Once you click on save, that setting will be saved. Now we need to open up Epic Games Launcher. Open up Epic Games Launcher, and from inside Epic Games Launcher, what you need to do is click on your profile picture icon at the top right, and from over here you want to go inside settings. Click on settings. Inside settings, scroll all the way down, tick mark throttle download. Once throttle download is tick marked, over here enter 5000. Once you enter 5000, you're good to go. Try to download whatever you want in Epic Games. Now it'll start to download faster. Hope you understand how we guys can increase our download speed in Epic Games if it is slow. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.